guys, this is Amy.
You're going right now? Wait, I'm gonna put lipstick on.
She's gonna do my hair.
Yeah.
And Suzy's gonna do my makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys everything. I'm gonna set up my camera over here to start.
Alright. So I'm gonna start by putting some water through your hair because it looks like you have like a really nice wave.
It's so funny because when I'm in summer, like in Brazil, it just tastes so wild.
Yeah.
Like a
it's humid.
Yeah. And it was like that.
Wait, where are you from in Brazil?
From the south.
From the south, okay. Cool.
Yeah, but when I was in the airport in Brazil, it was still like so wild. And then when I arrived in New York, it was already like this. It's crazy.
Yeah, because it's so dry here.
Yeah.
So when it's dry, it just like loses all of that kind of body and moisture. I made this little mixture that I'm gonna put on you. So you're gonna kind of be my little test bunny. I combined a couple of products. This product.
Lots of products, guys.
These products. Yes. This is Orbe Gel Serum. And then I mixed in some ALTERNA mousse. I don't know if you can see that. And then some AMIKA Bombshell Blowout Thickening Spray into the invisible roller. Like I had a little bit of that left. And some filtered water.
Okay.
Yeah, and so I really liked the combination that I was getting. I was just playing around. I did it on another girl earlier this week, and I really liked it. So it's perfect for your texture. And I'm gonna calm down your cowlicks here. Do you know what cowlick means? Like when it comes up like this.
Oh yeah.
We call it a cowlick.
A cowlick.
Yeah, it's like
cowlick. Gente, redemoinha é a cowlick.
Like a cow, like lick. It's so weird. Why do we say that? I don't know. Anyway.
Yeah.
That's what we say.
It's a weird name.
Yeah. So it wants to go this way, so I'm gonna pull it this way.
Oh yes.
Right, so it just kind of calms it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Now we're going to diffuse. Some people like diffuse like this. You don't have, you know, a lot of frizzy hair or baby hair. So a way to help reduce those hairs is when you're diffusing, blowing down on the hair shaft instead of blowing up on the hair shaft.
Yeah, when I started I was doing it wrong. I was doing like this.
Yeah.
And then someone told me to do like from the side.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
And yeah, that makes such a difference.
Yeah.
With this one?
That's the one I mixed up. So I just spread a little bit in my hands, and I'm going over these parts here that I straightened with the brush, because I wanted this, but I didn't want this as straight. So I'm just kind of spraying some in my hands.
So then it can like build the waves.
Yeah, put some more product in the hair.
I always use the sea salt water.
Yeah.
Or I have texture spray. It's really good too.
What's your is that your favorite like salt spray?
Actually, I'm just testing because I cut my hair last year, so I'm still trying
so you're still new. Yeah. One of my favorites is a product called Mercier by Milk, and it's a company out of Los Angeles, and it is amazing. The smell is beautiful. It's natural. The company is called Rev, R-E-V. The product itself is called Mercier. V. It's not U. It's E. It's so different. Let me see here. I know.
Because you know, like in English, it's A-E-O-I-O-U. Yeah. In Portuguese, it's A-E-I-O-U.
In Spanish. Yeah, that's so different. It's hard.
It's so hard. I know, but it's hard to think about it.
This stuff. That's a great.
I'm gonna leave here the picture.
Yeah. I'm gonna
try. I like to mix sea salt or texture spray with a little bit of oil.
Yes.
So then stay like more moist.
Yes.
I like
definitely.
That. Yeah.
That's why I like the Reverie stuff. That it has like the right balance.
So they have the
of
right
moisture
balance.
with
Oh, that's great.
I really
so
like
then
it.
Just have one product and it's fine.
All right, I think this is gonna be good for now. I'm gonna clip you.
I love it. Guys, she needs the bag again. I'll show you guys where the camera is right now. Isn't her bag. So
That was really good though. It was.
We do our best, you know.
You do what you gotta do. Okay, so then I'll send you to makeup.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you
Thank
later.
you for having this awesome hair.
Now I'm going with her.
Hi, I'm Suzy again. Just rose water.
It smells so good.
Oh, sans.
So this is for moist.
Yes, it's just like for prepping your skin. And a mix of like press and massage.
Moisturized skin is what makes a difference.
I agree.
I like to put just like moisturizer and sunscreen because the sunscreen keeps the skin so glowy. And
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah, sometimes I just use sunscreen as like body moisturizer on a summer shoot. Yeah.
The
Gives it
skin
that
just
sheen.
looks so great. So we're gonna do the eyes first.
Eyes first.
Oh, maybe I'll curl your lashes even first.
Whoa.
She's like, that's a torture device.
I hate them.
This is MAC Extended Clay. I like it because the brush is really small, so I can get right into the root, so it kind of just frames her eyes without looking like lots of spidery lashes. And I kind of pull outward on the outside corner to give it that doe-eyed effect. You have really beautiful round eyes, and this will kind of make them a little bit more feline.
I think I'm in Zoom actually.
Really? You're really showing.
Yeah. I was like this, look. I was like this.
Oh, you're giving the detail. It's so cute.
Giving you guys the details.
I'm just doing a really fine line of black liquid liner right in the base of the lash, so it doesn't look like liner. It's like a little trick to look like your lashes are just even longer. Ooh. You see the difference? It just kind of, it's very subtle. I'm just taking a little Tatcha blotting paper and I put it around a beauty blender and I'm just pressing into the skin so it kind of picks up any excess oil before I start the makeup. And then
Foundation time.
foundation time. Looks like a good match to me. So this is the new NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in medium 2.5. The name of the color is Sahel. And what's good about that, it kind of has a matte quality to it, so you want to have a lot of good moisturizer underneath. But I just noticed that your skin will get shiny if I put too much moisture.
Oh yeah.
So I just,
So it's like a balance.
yeah. And I don't even think we're going to apply it all over your face. I'm just going to apply it where I see any bits of discoloration or pigmentation. So the key then is really blending it and working it in and working it down to your neck so that it really doesn't look too dark.
Blend is the key.
Yes.
Blend and moisturizer.
Yes.
Light is the key too.
Yes.
Light is really important.
Yeah. Do your makeup by a window if you can. Like,
Yeah, we are beside a huge window. We got lucky.
yeah, even with these lights, we decided to use the window.
we got so many lights.
Got a lot of lights.
So concealer now.
Concealer under the eyes, because I'll do a little face concealer, but I don't even really think you need it because that foundation had such good coverage. I was surprised. So I'm doing a little peachy tone underneath the eyes just to brighten, and I just kind of paint it. The trick is if you bow your chin down a little bit and you look into the mirror, you can see, or in the camera, whatever, you can see where the shadows are deepest. And then I take a little baby beauty blender and I just softly blend. And you can totally use your finger too. And Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. I kind of knock off most of what's on the brush on my hand. Now this is an important step because people are always like, why is my concealer coming off by the middle of the day? You want to set it with a little powder.
I'm that kind of person.
Yeah.
Great. Live and learn.
Live and learn. You can also set it with a blotting paper, like just press a blotting paper or like a half of a tissue.
I never use powder. That's why.
I don't use a lot.
Yeah, actually I never wear makeup. When I wear just a little bit of concealer and the redness spot and eyeshadows. Yep. That's all I need.
So yeah, you got your look dialed in. I'm just going to use this new NARS spring color called Hot Tin Roof, and it's a liquid blush. You can really work it to like nothing and it looks like a natural blush. And I'm going to put a tiny bit in the crease of the eye too, because I love just like it ties the look together. I'm going to take a big fan brush. This is from IT Cosmetics. And this stuff does dry down, so you kind of want to work while it's still a little damp. The cream blush, the liquid blush. But I'm just putting a tiny bit here to warm up your forehead. Gorgiosa. Give you a little Glossier boy brow, which is just, if you use this, it's a fun one. I use the clear one a lot when people have really gorgeous full brows like you do.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, because it just kind of finishes the brow. It gives you like a polished look without adding weight to it, instead of being like shellacked and stuck up, which is a nice look sometimes, but this one you can manipulate through. You can move it.
Great.
So your brows, and it doesn't flake, so your brows don't feel, and I'm not paid or anything. I just like it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's great.
This is RMS Magic Luminizer with this kind of a shoot. I don't use that much highlighter because it kind of looks hot when the flat, right? But just a wee little bit on the inner corner opens up the eye, and a little on the Cupid's bow, a little on the tops of the cheeks, tiniest bit right under the brow. I'll just do this peachy lip from NARS.
More new products for me.
Yay! You're my bunny.
Your bunny.
So let's see. Yeah, this is nice. And then smile again. I'm just going to add a little bit on the cheek. Great. And the final touch, I'm going to add a little bit more of a red color, just a little trick for kind of brightening up a nude right in the center of the lips.
So beautiful.
Kind of simple, right?
I love simple.
Me too.
It's simple, but it pops out the the beauty.
And then the final step, I'll just do a little mist of rose water. Rose water. Everything. This one's from SW Basics. It's just one ingredient, just organic rose water.
So good.
The
rose water is really good, guys.
Heritage.
So beautiful. Done.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It looks really pretty.
Yeah.
We'll see when we get on set. We might do mascara on the bottom, but I think I'm gonna leave it for now because I like the open
Me
eye.
too.
Yeah.
Me too.
Can you zoom on this?
No, it's in here.
Ah.
Slightly more flexible.